Istanbul Airport is one of the busiest airports and the international hub in Europe. It was built with the most advanced technology and infrastructure. Our aim is to offer the future of airport experience from today. To offer a glimpse of the future, we must strive to be on the cutting edge and innovate.
With Plug and Play, we opened a deal flow session focused on operational efficiency. Plug and Play introduced startup to us. After meeting and interviews, we choose the right startup for our use cases.
We are Smart Kiwi and we specialize in optimizing operational planning by balancing supply and demand. Our expertise lies in hyper-accurate demand forecasting and decision-making optimization for mobility, transportation, and supply chain operations. By automating operational decisions, we improve resource utilization by up to 60%, significantly enhancing operational efficiency. Our advanced AI considers over 260 external factors to closely model real-world conditions, delivering unmatched prediction accuracy and precise decision-making. We identified two main challenges at iGA: the unpredictability of passenger inflow and the difficulty of modeling queue lengths due to human factors, leading to bottlenecks and long lines at security checkpoints. To address this, we developed advanced forecasting models to predict passenger volumes and dynamic queue management system that optimizes lane usage through simulation and real-time decision automation. This approach allows the airport to efficiently allocate resources, minimize wait times, and enhance overall operational efficiency. By combining technical precision with a deep understanding of operational dynamics and staff performance, our AI models became more adaptive and accurate. This approach leads to a significant 30 to 50% reduction in queue waiting times, optimized workforce distribution, and enhancement in overall performance, thus making a significant, tangible, positive impact on airport operations. Plug and Play Istanbul played a crucial role in the success of this collaboration by providing us with access to valuable industry connections and facilitating partnerships that were key to initiate the project. They enabled us to engage with the right stakeholders at iGA, streamlining communication and collaboration.